We modified a pallet coil nailer to shoot tennis balls. So we drop the tennis ball in, we tamp it, and then we can shoot a tennis ball over 100 miles an hour. So we're gonna have a little friendly competition against all the staff. Whoever has the highest score gets to buy lunch. Adam!
Sir.
Adam, how long you been with Hahn Systems?
2.5 years.
And what do you like the best about Hahn Systems?
The events.
The events
are fun.
And where you can shoot the tennis ball launching gun.
Absolutely.
And speaking of events, glad you brought this up, good segue. July 27th, a Wednesday night, July 27th from 5 to 8 p.m. We're having 24 vendors, a ton of stuff on sale. Come, you get a chance to shoot the tennis ball launching gun that night. Wednesday night, July 27th in New Haven, 5 to 8 p.m. Be there, all right? All right, Adam, shoot.
Okay.
Here we go. Nice launch, the bounce. On the bounce does not count, by the way.
Now you tell me.
All right, next.
Oh, man.
Tess. Tess is from our Indianapolis office.
That's right.
Tess, how long you been with Hahn?
A year.
A year, and what do you think?
It's wonderful.
You
hanging
love it?
out with you, yeah.
All right. Over. Okay, next. Bradley.
Yes, sir.
Everybody gets a shot. Brad, how long have you been with Hahn?
9 years.
And Brad's from our Indianapolis office.
Yes, sir.
And what do you like the most about Hahn Systems?
I get to play at these.
All right, we're gonna do fun stuff. All right, let's go. Oh, a little bit to the left. All right, here we go. Michael.
6 months.
Michael, get in here. How long you been with?
6 months.
Michael's from Fort Wayne. Michael Massey, been 6 months. You like it so far?
Yeah.
All right, good. Shoot the gun. Lori Spieth. Lori, how long you been with Hahn Systems?
16 years total.
And what do you do for us?
Customer service.
Customer service.
And everything else you asked me to.
All right, Lori, shoot. Try not to scream when you shoot it. All right, you failed. All right, more here. David Danner. David, how long you been with Hahn Systems?
I've been with Hahn Systems for a month.
1 month.
1 month.
What do you think?
It's a great place to be.
All right, good. Shoot the tennis ball gun. Brad, good. How long you been working for Hahn Systems?
1.5 years.
A year and a half. And what do you like about Hahn Systems?
Family atmosphere and just a dream job I've always had, working in a place like this.
All right, I didn't pay you to say that. Shoot! Everybody's shooting over. You gotta shoot. We, as you can see, we play hard, we work hard. A lot of years of experience in pneumatic tools, power tools, but we're the stop and shop for everything, power tools and pneumatic tools, but we enjoy to have fun and shoot things like this. So again, July 27th, Wednesday night, Hahn Systems, New Haven, 5 to 8 p.m. Come see us.